Hello, everyone. I'm Joseph. Welcome to Joseph's Easy English.
If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video.
We help you practice real everyday English. Today, we have a very special long lesson.
Please, if you like learning with us, click that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us so much.
Yes, thank you. Today, we will watch a story about two friends, Mark and Lisa. They meet on the street by accident.
But Mark has a secret. He forgets Lisa's name.
It is a very funny and useful conversation. Listen carefully. Let's begin.
Wow, what a nice day. Just look at that sky. It is so blue, there's not a single cloud. The air is fresh, it is not too hot, it is not too cold. It is perfect. I love days like this. I wish every day was like this.
Who is that? That man over there, the one in the gray jacket. He looks very familiar. Is that Mark? No, it can't be Mark. Mark works in the North District, but he walks like Mark, and he has the same hair.
Excuse me?
Excuse me, sir?
Yes, can I help you?
Mark? Is that you?
Yes, I am Mark. Do I know you?
Mark, it is me, Lisa.
Lisa?
Yes, Lisa, from the conference, the marketing conference last year in Chicago.
Chicago marketing. Oh, Lisa. Wow, yes, of course. Lisa, I am so sorry. I was daydreaming.
It is okay. I was not sure it was you either. I thought, is that Mark or just a handsome stranger?
Well, thank you. You are very kind. It is so good to see you. How are you?
I am doing great, really good. Just, busy. Life is busy.
I understand. Life is always busy.
But I am happy. How about you? How have you been? It has been a long time.
Yes, 1 year, maybe a little more. I am good, working hard, trying to stay healthy.
You look good. You look healthy.
Thanks. I go to the gym now, sometimes, when I am not lazy.
Me too. I pay for the gym, but I never go. So, Mark, this is a surprise. What are you doing in this neighborhood? This is the financial district. Do you work here now?
No, I don't work here. I still work at the old office, in the north.
Oh, right. That is far. So, why are you here?
I have a meeting, a client meeting.
Oh, important business?
Yes, very important. It is with a big company. I have to present a new project.
Are you nervous?
A little bit, just a little, but I am mostly early.
Early? What time is your meeting?
It is at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.? It is only 2:05 p.m. now. You are very early.
Yes, I took the train. I thought the train would be late, but today the train was fast.
That is lucky. Usually the trains are slow.
Exactly. So now I have 55 minutes. I was just walking, killing time.
Well, this is perfect because guess what?
What?
My office is right here, right around the corner.
Really? You work in this neighborhood now?
Yes, I started a new job 3 months ago.
That is amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. And I am on my break, my lunch break.
You haven't eaten lunch yet? It is 2 p.m.
I know. I was so busy this morning. I skipped lunch, but I need coffee.
Coffee sounds like a great idea.
Do you want to join me? We can catch up.
I would love to. I need some caffeine before my meeting. I need to wake up.
Great. There is a cafe right here. It is called City Cafe. It is very nice.
Is it quiet?
Usually. Let's go check. I love the smell of coffee shops.
Me too. It smells like energy.
Look, the line is short. Only 2 people.
That is good. I don't like waiting in long lines.
Hi there. Welcome to City Cafe. How are you two doing today?
We are doing well, thanks. How are you?
I am fantastic. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you?
Do you know what you want, Mark?
I am not sure. Let me look at the menu. Wow, there are so many options.
Yes, they have everything.
Espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, macchiato, mocha. What is a flat white? A flat white is like a latte, but with less milk and more foam. It is very smooth. Sounds fancy, but is it strong? It is medium strength. If you want strong, I recommend the Americano. Okay, I want the strong one. I need to wake up for my meeting. I will have a large iced Americano, please. 1 large iced Americano. Do you want cream or sugar? No cream, no sugar, just black. Wait, actually, do you have artificial sweetener? Yes, we have Splenda and stevia. It is over there on the condiment bar. Perfect. I will add it myself.
Great. And for you, miss?
I am going to treat myself today. I want a latte, a medium latte.
1 medium latte. What kind of milk would you like? We have whole milk, skim milk, oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk.
Oh, so many choices.
Go for the oat milk. I hear it is trendy.
Is it good?
Go for the oat milk. I hear it is trendy.
Is it good?
It is very popular. It is creamy and a little sweet.
Okay, I will try the oat milk.
Oat milk is 50 cents extra. Is that okay?
Yes, that is fine.
Do you want any flavors? Vanilla, caramel, hazelnut?
No syrup, but can I have extra foam?
Sure, extra foam. Anything to eat? A muffin, a croissant, a cookie?
The cookies look delicious. Mark, do you want a cookie?
No thanks, I am watching my weight.
You are so disciplined. I will just have the coffee then.
Okay, 1 large iced Americano and 1 medium oat milk latte with extra foam. That will be $9.50.
I got it.
No, Mark, stop. I invited you.
No. You are the lady and I am happy to see you. It is my treat.
But,
Please, I insist. Don't fight me on this.
okay, you are very stubborn. Thank you, Mark.
You are welcome. Card, please.
Go ahead and tap.
Did it go through?
Yes, approved. Can I get a name for the order?
Mark. M-A-R-K.
Thanks, Mark. We will call you when it is ready.
Here is a good table by the window.
Perfect. I like to watch the people outside.
Ah, that is good. Very cold. Very refreshing.
This oat milk is actually really good. You are right.
I am always right. Just kidding. So tell me about this new job. You are a manager now.
Yes, sales manager.
Wow, big boss.
Not a big boss, just a middle boss.
Do you like it?
I do. The work is interesting, but the team is big.
How many people?
10 people.
That is a lot of birthdays to remember.
Yes, and a lot of personalities. There was one guy, his name is Bob.
There is always a Bob. What does Bob do?
Bob talks a lot. He talks about his cats, he talks about his car, he talks about his lunch.
Does he work?
Sometimes, but he is nice, just chatty.
How is your boss, the big boss?
He's okay. He's very serious. He never smiles.
Never?
Never. I told him a joke yesterday. He just looked at me.
That is scary.
It is, but he pays me well, so I stay.
So enough about work. How is your family?
They are good. My parents are finally retired.
Oh, nice. Are they still in Florida?
Yes, they bought a small house near the beach. They are very happy.
That sounds like the dream.
And my sister, Jenny?
Yes, Jenny, the one with the red hair.
Exactly. She got married last month.
Married? No way. To who?
To a British guy. His name is Paul.
A British guy, like from London?
Yes, from London. So now Jenny lives in London.
Wow, that is a big change. Do you miss her?
I do, but I'm going to visit her in December for Christmas.
Christmas in London. That sounds magical.
Okay, Mark, listen to her. She is so friendly. She is telling you everything. She told you about her job, her team, her boss, her parents in Florida, her sister Jenny in London. She knows your name. She knows your boss's name. But I have a problem, a very big problem. I know her first name is Lisa, Lisa, but what is her last name? I need to put her contact in my phone. I want to stay in touch, but I cannot say, Lisa, what is your name? We worked together. We are friends. It is rude. Is it Lisa Miller? No. Lisa Clark? No. Lisa something with F? Oh no, I am sweating. Don't sweat, Mark. Be cool. I need a plan, a trick. Think, the phone trick. Yes, I will say I lost my contacts. That is a brilliant lie.
Mark? Hello? You are staring at your coffee cup.
What? Oh, sorry. I was just thinking about Christmas.
You really need a vacation, Mark.
You are right. I do. Hey, Lisa, actually, since we are here, I have a favor to ask.
Sure. Anything.
Well, I had a bit of an accident last week.
Oh no. Are you okay?
I am fine, but my phone was not fine.
What happened?
I was running for the bus and my phone fell out of my pocket.
Oh gosh.
And it fell on the concrete. Smash.
The screen?
The screen, the back, everything. It was destroyed.
I hate that.
So I had to buy this new phone.
It looks nice.
It is nice, but I lost a lot of data. I lost my photos and I lost my contacts.
Oh, that is the worst.
It is, so I don't have your number anymore.
That is no problem. I can give it to you right now.
Really? Thanks.
Give me your phone. I will type it in.
Here, please put your full name, so I can find you easily. And your email, too.
Okay, 5550199. Okay, now the name. Lisa space Ferris. And email lisa.ferris@gmail.com. Done.
Ferris. Yes, Lisa Ferris. I knew it started with F. Thank you, universe. Perfect. Thank you, Lisa. Now we are connected again.
Yes. Send me a message so I have your number too.
Lisa, can I tell you a secret?
A secret? Ooh, tell me.
I didn't drop my phone.
You didn't?
No, my phone is fine. I didn't lose my contacts.
Then why?
Because, to be honest, I forgot your last name.
You forgot my name?
Yes, I am so sorry. I knew it was Lisa, but I couldn't remember if it was Lisa Jones or Lisa Ferris. It slipped my mind.
Mark, oh my gosh.
I felt so embarrassed. I didn't want to ask you.
You created a whole story about a bus and a smashed screen just for my name?
Yes, I am terrible with names.
That is hilarious. You are funny, Mark.
You are not angry?
No, I am not angry. Actually,
What?
I was waiting for you to say your name to the barista.
Why?
Because I forgot your last name too.
No way. Really?
Yes, I was thinking, is it Wilson or Williams?
It is Wilson.
See, I didn't know, so we are even.
We are both terrible. This is great.
Oh, that is funny. Oh no, look at the time.
What time is it?
It is 2:50. I have to run back to the office. My break is over.
And I have to go to my meeting. It starts in 10 minutes.
We talked too much.
It was worth it. It was great to see you, Lisa Ferris.
Great to see you too, Wilson.
Let's get dinner soon. A real dinner, not a rush.
Yes, next week?
Next week is good. I will text you.
Okay, good luck with the meeting. Be confident.
Good luck with Bob and his cats.
Bye, Mark.
Bye, Lisa.
Did you understand the conversation?
That was funny. Mark and Lisa both forgot their names.
Yes.
Let's look at some important phrases they used.
Mark said, "It slipped my mind."
This means, I forgot it for a moment. It slipped my mind. Can you say that?
It slipped my mind. Also, Lisa said, "I am in a bit of a hurry."
Yes, that means she does not have much time. She needs to go fast.
And finally, Mark said, "I am terrible with names."
Use terrible with when you are bad at something.
Now we have a question for you.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Are you terrible with names, or do you always remember them?
Use English if you can, but even a few words are fantastic. We read as many as we can, and we always give hearts.
And while you're there, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, Joseph's Easy English.
Because you'll see our new videos, and it helps us to keep making lessons for you.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon.
Our next video will be about talking about hobbies. Ooh, that will be fun.
So from both of us, thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
You are doing something amazing by learning a new language. Be safe, be happy, and keep practicing.
Thanks for watching Joseph's Easy English. See you next time.